Hanji students, in our exercise 7.1 we are now having our question number 3. This is the diagram. AD and BC are equal. So what is given? They say AD, this is AD and this is BC. They say they are equal, perpendiculars to a line segment AB. So they are equal also, they are perpendicular to AB. AD is perpendicular to AB, so this is 90-degree angle. BC is perpendicular to AB line, so that means this is also perpendicular 90-degree. Okay, so the two angles are 90-degree and this line is equal to this line. They say show that CD bisects AB. They say कि ਅਸੀਂ prove करना है जो CD है वो AB ਨੂੰ bisect कर रही है. That means we have to prove that this OB is equal to this OA. That means ਅਸੀਂ ये दोनों portions equal prove करने हैं. So to prove these two portions equal, we have to make these two triangles congruent. Okay, सानू ये दोनों triangles ਨੂੰ congruent बनाना पड़ेगा बेटे. Okay, so to make these two triangles congruent, we first of all write the given things in our notebook. So the given things are, students, AD is equal to BC. This is given. Okay, the second thing is given that AD is perpendicular to AB. This AD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, second, next one is BC perpendicular to AB. BC perpendicular to AB. This is also given. Next we have to prove is that CD bisects AB. We have to prove that this CD bisects AB. That means we have to prove that this OB is equal to this OA. Okay, so now in the proof we will take these two triangles. We write OAD and OBC triangles. So in triangle OAD and triangle OBC. So we write these two triangles. Now let us see how we can prove. Okay, ਅਸੀਂ prove किस तरह करांगे देखो बच्चे. See here, this side is equal to this side given to us. Okay, so this will be S. Then this 90-degree, this 90-degree, they are perpendicular. This is A. एक combination A बन गया. What about the third thing? तीन चीज़ां होंदियां बच्चे साडी congruency ਲਈ. So the third thing we will take this one. The vertically opposite angles, they are also equal. So the rule now will be, हुन rule केड़ा बनेगा देखो बेटे. Angle, angle, side. The rule will be angle, angle, side rule. Okay, so AAS rule साडा हुन बन जाएगा. So first of all we will write this thing. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why so? They are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Then angle, this one, angle B is equal to angle A. Each 90-degree. Why? Because BC is and AD are perpendicular to AB. Okay. So we will write angle A is equal to angle B. Why? Each 90-degree, because the side BC perpendicular to AB and AD is also perpendicular to AB. We will write and reason everything. Okay. Okay. Then the third thing is the side AD is equal to side BC. The side AD is equal to the side BC. This is given to us. So now we have the rule AAS. So by AAS congruence rule, by AAS congruence, the two triangles, the triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBC. The two triangles are congruent now. So now if these two triangles are congruent, then that means their corresponding parts are equal. So that means this portion is equal to this portion. OB is equal to OA. Therefore, by CPCT, that is the corresponding parts of congruent triangles, OB is equal to OA. So if OB is equal to OA, then that means this CD divides this AB in two equal parts. So that means it bisects it. Okay. So therefore we write therefore CD bisects AB. Hence proof.